Hi guys, in this series of video lectures we will be learning about Python. So this video lectures will be important for you both university board examinations and even for the competitive programming. So let's get started. So what is Python? Python is a developer friendly language, like you get all the lines that you read in the Python or in English. So isn't it interesting? So let's get started. So we'll start with introduction of Python. Python is a general purpose high level programming language. Python was developed by Guido van Rossum in 1989, but it was made available to the public in 1991. So officially, here is the fun fact. Date of birth of the Python is 20th February 1991. Python is recommended as a first programming language for the beginners. Since it is very easy to learn Python, it is recommended for every beginner to learn Python first and to learn the remaining languages after all. So we will see how a program is been in Java, C and Python. So let me give you an introduction. So I have opened the ripple.it. This is an online compiler. We will see a program to type how to print hello world in C. So in the first line it is the header file, the ash include studio.h. So this is the way we will write a hello world program in C language. So when we run it, it comes hello world. So it is a six line program in C, and even if you look at these words, these are int, main, void, all are something like new, right? So let's come to Java. So in Java, it is again a it is a 5 line program, and see its class main, public static void, main string args. So everything is new, right? So again, let's try to run this. So it is also giving hello world as output. So let us try to write the same program in Python. So print print hello world, and we will run this. That's it. Only one line for getting the hello world program. See that simple it is using Python. So let's get back to our slides. See, as we have seen that in Java there is a this is the keyword. These are the keywords. That is the public class hello world. Okay, and in C there is the header file void main and else everything. And in Python there it is only it is only one line, right? Isn't it interesting? So the fun facts. Python was selected from the TV show. The name Python is selected from the TV show, The Complete Monty Python Circus, which is broadcasted in BBC. Yeah, that's not much about. So where we can see the applications of Python. Python can be seen everywhere. There is no place that we cannot see Python. Like developing applications for desktop applications, web applications, and developing databases, for network programming, for developing games, data analysis, machine learning, artificial intelligence, IoT, whatnot. Everything we can do with Python. So companies using Python, some of the main companies like Google, NASA, Instagram, Facebook, yeah, every company is using Python here in some or the other way. So we'll see what is the average Python developer salary. The average Python developer salary is nearly 4,62,000, nearly 63,000. So it is the new statistics from 29th June 2020. So we will learn what are the features of the Python. So Python is simple and easy to learn. because we have already seen there is only one line for writing the hello world program. It is in English only. So Python is very simple and easy to learn. And second is free and open source. Python is a free source, and it can run on any device. And Python is a high level programming language. uh, like, what is the difference between a high level programming language and a low level programming language? Some of the low level programming languages are like assembly languages you might have learned in your 6th or 7th class, like uh, COBOL, Fortran. I think you might hear the words, right? So in those kind of languages, we need to take care of the memory management, security, everything. But in the high level language, the memory management, security, everything would be taken care of the language itself. You need not need to worry about that. And it is platform independent. You can write. Okay, once we can write Python program, it can run on any platform. So if you are using a Windows platform or a Mac or anything, it is a Python can run on any device. Here PVM means Python virtual machine. So Python virtual machine is responsible to convert the machine to understandable form. As we discussed about the machine level language and high level language, a high level language is first then converted into machine level language, which is converted by here PVM. PVM means Python virtual machine. And portability. So Python programs can run anywhere. That's what portability means. Dynamically typed. Coming to dynamically typed. So as we have seen in Java. Okay, let me get to that. So in Java and C, we have like a public class, void class, and they are like types of data. There are integer types, float types. You will come to know them soon. So in Python, it is not like that. We do not need to specify any type. It is taken as automatically. So it is a dynamically typed language. See, Java and C are statically typed languages. Both what is a procedural oriented language and an object oriented language. Coming to Python is an object oriented language. We will get to know about procedure and object oriented language in the next video. So what are the limitations of Python? Python is an interpreted language. So what is meant by an interpreted language? And so interpreted language is that when you write the program, all the program does not execute. If there is an error in any of the particular line, there the execution gets stopped. Where is the compiler? There is a difference between what an interpreter and a compiler. Compiler type is when the program, like what to say, the complete program executes and the errors in the program are just initialized then. And we are not using Python for mobile applications cause it is a little bit slower when compared to the C and Java. So what are the different versions of the Python? Python has now three versions: Python 1, Python 2, and Python 3. The latest version is, I hope, 3.8 or something. Okay, we will check that in python.org website. Okay, so let me give you an introduction where we can download Python. Type python.org. In python.org, go to download session, and here you will find the latest version of the Python for your device. I have been using a Mac, so that it is given for Mac OS, and if you are using a Windows, it will give for a Windows. So no problem, you can download the Python version. And then after downloading this Python version, to check how whether it is successfully installed or not, open terminal. It is terminal on Mac and CMD command prompt on Windows. So type Python -p. So see, my Python version is 3.7.4. Anywhere above 3.3 is good to go. And make sure that you are not using Python 2 and Python 3, and use Python 3 so that you can follow these tutorials from now. Thank you.